In this video, we will explore the top 6 portable retro touch mini keyboards for 2026, highlighting their design, features, and performance. Whether you're a gamer, a streamer, or just love stylish compact keyboards, this guide will help you choose the perfect one. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Mini Rechargeable Bluetooth Keyboard. The Mini Rechargeable Bluetooth Keyboard is a compact and highly portable solution for anyone needing a reliable typing experience on the go. Measuring 114 by 60 by 9 millimeters, this slim keyboard easily fits in your bag while providing full functionality with 49 well-spaced keys. It pairs effortlessly with a wide range of devices, including tablets and smartphones, thanks to Bluetooth 3.0 connectivity. The keyboard supports multiple operating systems, such as Google Android OS Windows, mobile version 6.0 and later, Nokia Symbian S60 version 3.0 and later, and EOS 4.0 and later, ensuring compatibility with almost any modern mobile device that has Bluetooth built in. A built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery powers the keyboard, and it charges via a Type-C port in approximately 3 to 4 hours. Once fully charged, the device offers extended usage, making it ideal for travel or long gaming sessions. The high-grade PVC construction ensures durability while maintaining a comfortable typing experience. Its working range of up to 10 meters provides flexibility, allowing you to control your device from a distance. The package includes the wireless keyboard itself, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. Prior to first use, the battery must be fully charged, and Bluetooth should be enabled on the device to ensure smooth pairing. Whether you are sending quick messages, drafting notes, or navigating applications, this mini Bluetooth keyboard offers a convenient, compact, and reliable typing solution for mobile productivity. Number 4. RII 518 Bluetooth Mini Keyboard. The RII 518 Bluetooth Mini Keyboard is a versatile and compact solution for anyone needing a portable typing option. Featuring 78 keys and a built-in trackball, it allows precise navigation and typing across multiple devices, including PCs, tablets, notebooks, and laptops. The keyboard is equipped with backlighting, providing clear visibility and accurate input even in low-light environments, making it ideal for gaming or late-night work sessions. Its slim and travel-friendly design fits comfortably in a bag, while housing a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Charging is handled through a USB port, and the device requires a full charge before initial pairing. Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless operation, and the keyboard is compatible with Google Android OS Windows Mobile version 6.0 and later, EOS version 4.0 and later, and Nokia Symbian S60 version 3.0 and later. Devices must have Bluetooth enabled for pairing. Constructed with high-grade PVC material, the keyboard offers durability without compromising comfort, while its pocket-sized form makes it convenient for on-the-go use. Additional features include a power switch, a pairing button, and multimedia keys for easier control of audio and video functions. The package contains the wireless keyboard, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. The RII 518 delivers a reliable, portable, and efficient typing experience for professionals, gamers, and mobile users who require a compact and high-functioning keyboard solution. Number 3. Jomaa Tri-Folding Wireless Keyboard. The Jomaa Tri-Folding Wireless Keyboard combines portability with a full-featured typing experience. Its tri-folding design allows it to fold down to a compact size while providing a standard keyboard layout when opened, measuring 346.86 by 106.09 by 8.8 millimeters. The keyboard weighs only 227 grams and features a textured PU leather back cover, offering a professional look and comfortable hand feel. Equipped with a Broadcom US Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, it delivers low latency and stable performance. The keyboard supports connection to up to 3 devices simultaneously, allowing users to switch seamlessly between Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac systems. Pairing is simple with a function plus tab key combination, and the working range reaches up to 10 meters. The keyboard includes an ultra-large touchpad with left and right click functions, closely mimicking the laptop experience. Keys use a scissor switch mechanism with 1-to-1 keycap sizing for comfortable typing, and the device houses a built-in 210 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, providing long standby time and environmentally friendly performance. Other specifications include a working voltage of 3.7 volts, low current consumption for both keys and touchpad, and an automatic sleep function after 10 minutes of inactivity. The foldable design balances standard-size typing with portability, making it ideal for travel or business use. The package provides a convenient and efficient input solution without compromising on comfort or functionality. Number 2. Tri-Folding Keyboard Mini Wireless Keyboard. The Tri-Folding Mini Wireless Keyboard is a compact and versatile solution for portable typing. Featuring 63 keys and a large touchpad with gesture control, it provides precise navigation and a comfortable typing experience across multiple devices. The keyboard supports dual Bluetooth 5.1 channels, allowing seamless switching between 2 devices, and is compatible with Windows, Android, and iOS systems, though the touchpad requires iOS 13 or later to function. The foldable design reduces its size to 5.98 by 3.86 by 0.78 inches when closed, while the unfolded size measures 11.96 by 3.86 by 0.39 inches, balancing portability with usability. Its durable construction includes metal connections and a wear-resistant PU leather back shell, offering long-term reliability and a premium feel. The textured cover adds an elegant and contemporary look, suitable for phones, tablets, and laptops. A built-in 140 mAh rechargeable lithium battery powers the keyboard, offering up to 200 hours of standby time after approximately 2 hours of Type-C charging. The keyboard supports a working distance of 10 meters without obstacles, providing flexibility for different setups. Its power-saving design ensures efficiency, while the large touchpad with left and right click functions maximizes productivity in a compact form. This Tri-Folding Mini Wireless Keyboard is ideal for mobile users seeking a portable, durable, and fully featured typing solution for professional and casual use. Number 1. Exknight Retro Touch Mini Keyboard. The Exknight Retro Touch Mini Keyboard is a Bluetooth device designed for Windows, Android, and iOS systems, combining retro aesthetics with modern functionality. Its compact, portable design makes it ideal for small desks, travel, or on-the-go use. The keyboard features a vintage-inspired layout with slightly curved keycaps and a retro color scheme, providing a nostalgic typing experience while maintaining efficiency. Connectivity is simple. Power on the keyboard by sliding the side switch. Then hold Fn and Q for 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. Devices will detect it as M4, ready to connect. iOS users can access exclusive features such as capitalization lock, language switching, virtual keyboard access, and voice control using designated keys, while Android and Windows devices utilize the standard keypad functions. The backlit keys enhance visibility in low-light environments, with adjustable brightness levels to suit personal preferences. Despite its small size, the keyboard provides tactile and responsive keys, ideal for office tasks, mobile gaming, or extended typing sessions. Its sturdy construction and non-slip base ensure stability during use, while the rechargeable battery offers long-lasting performance, lasting several weeks per charge. Hot swapping between devices is supported, allowing seamless transitions without repeated pairing. Exknight also caters to DIY enthusiasts, offering magnetic backplate printing kits, while the device itself remains a versatile tool for work, gaming, or casual use. Its unique blend of retro charm and modern convenience makes the Retro Touch Mini Keyboard a practical and stylish addition to any workspace. There you have it, the 6 best portable Retro Touch Mini Keyboards of 2026, each offering unique features for different needs and styles. From compact convenience to retro aesthetics, these keyboards are perfect for on-the-go productivity and fun. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and links. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.